Here are 8 nutrient-packed juices that support eye health, containing vitamins and antioxidants like vitamin A, vitamin C, lutein, and zeaxanthin. 1. Carrot juice rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which is essential for good vision. Adds lutein to protect against macular degeneration. Suggested addition: a pinch of turmeric for extra anti-inflammatory benefits. 2. Orange juice high in vitamin C, which strengthens blood vessels in the eyes and reduces the risk of cataracts. The antioxidants support overall eye health. 3. Spinach and kale juice packed with lutein and zeaxanthin. These leafy greens protect the eyes from blue light and UV damage. Suggested pairing: apple or cucumber for a milder taste. 4. Beetroot juice contains nitrates that improve blood flow, including to the retina. Also high in antioxidants like lutein. 5. Blueberry juice. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, which help improve night vision and reduce eye fatigue. Combine with other berries for added vitamin C. 6. Tomato juice contains lycopene, an antioxidant that protects the eyes from oxidative stress. High in vitamin C and beta-carotene. 7. Papaya and mango juice. Both are excellent sources of vitamin A and beta-carotene, which prevent dryness and improve night vision. Suggested addition: lime juice for a refreshing tang and vitamin C boost. 8. Aloe vera and pineapple juice. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties, while pineapple contains bromelain, which reduces eye puffiness. Together, they promote healthy blood circulation around the eyes. For best results, consume freshly prepared juices and avoid added sugars. Include these juices as part of a balanced diet for overall eye health.